In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto in Trust Wallet. Open your Trust Wallet. If you love to buy crypto in Trust Wallet, click on this buy option. Enter the amount you want to buy, right? You can come on here, I can type in, let me say 15K. So yeah, wait for it to load up. So I think they're going to give you, I think, two options. So you can come on here, you can select it, right? Or you can do this, you can add up this manually if you want, right? So you can select the currency you want to buy. If you want to buy, let me say USDT Tron, right? So I want to buy $15,000 worth of USDT Tron. So you're going to select the payment method you're going to be using. So you can use the first or second one, right? So go back, click on this buy now. You're gonna be taken to where you're gonna be able to purchase it successfully, right? So this video is basically for educational purpose only. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please, if you have any question down below in the comment section, ask me. I'm gonna do well to reach out to you all. Thank you all for watching through. I'll see you in the next video.